Users have multiple methods of sharing content to the room or video participants with the G7500. Begin by selecting the Content button on the main screen. An instructional screen shows the 3 ways to connect your device to the G7500. Using an HDMI cable is often the preferred method. The content is visible both locally and to any far-end video call participants. Connecting wirelessly from your personal device is also possible using AirPlay or Miracast. Connect to either the primary or secondary network to share content. Users can also share content from a PC or Mac using the Polycom Content app. When connecting wirelessly through any method, the user may be prompted to enter the content sharing password. If you are using a touchscreen monitor, you have the additional option of using the Blackboard space to modify and annotate over content. More information is available in the video using the G7500 Blackboard. Now for some basic functions to minimize content. Simply press or touch the Content button. The current content will be put in the gallery and will not be shown to the far end. This content can be recalled at any time by selecting the Content button. Local content from the meeting remains in the content tray until the user selects End Session. Ending the session will erase the content and hang up the call.